Doing some recipe testing today for a future Cook Smarts menu, some salmon tacos, and I wanted to show you how to use an air fryer to cook up some salmon and how to make my lazy salmon tacos. Okay, so most of the time fish tacos, you have to slice up the fish, but if you bought salmon that has the skin on it, that can be a bit of a pain to do. It requires a very sharp knife, some knife skills, and of course, your time. So these days, my shortcut is just to season up the filet real well and roast it all up in the air fryer and then flake the meat with a fork and have everyone just spoon up what they want into their tacos. Here's a beautiful piece of troll caught salmon, and as you can see here, it's still got the skin on it. I'm gonna just brush it with some oil. I'm using avocado oil, which is my preferred oil. And then I'm gonna sprinkle on some Everything Bagel seasoning. Yes, that is one of my favorite ways to season up so many different things. It's already got salt in it, garlic and onion. Here we go. And yeah, it works really great on salmon, which when you think about it, makes total sense because we love the Everything Bagel with smoked salmon. So why wouldn't you just season up salmon that you cook for dinner with the same thing? Okay, so now that this is all flavored out, I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it into my air fryer basket. And it fits just right. I'm really lucky to have an air fryer where the whole filet can go in. And now salmon takes about 6 to 12 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And that wide time range really depends on the thickness of your salmon, how you prefer your salmon to be done. This filet was definitely on the thicker side, but my whole family really enjoys their salmon on the less done side. So I'm gonna cook it for 7 minutes. I'm gonna hit start. Okay, so while that salmon is cooking up, I'm gonna make a quick cucumber and cilantro salsa with some lime juice. So this is just a great time while your air fryer is doing its thing to do other things. We are back with the salmon. So I checked on it at 7 minutes and it looked still a little bit too raw. And so I popped it in for just another 2 minutes and now it is beautiful. Check this baby out. So that took 9 minutes, didn't heat up my house, just kind of let it hang. So how easy was that? So I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it onto one of these little mini sheet pans I got from good old Costco. All right, so this is how we're gonna serve everything with the salmon there, and then the cucumber sauce. I ended up putting some oranges in because that's just kind of how recipe testing works. It just needed something with a little bit more acid, aside from the lime juice. We added that in. We'll also have some cilantro, which the kids will not have, but the adults will. Some sour cream, which the kids will definitely have. Some limes, and of course some corn and wheat tortillas. So that will be our simple dinner tonight, and this will definitely make it to a menu next year. So stay tuned for the recipe, but be sure to air fry some salmon because that you do not need a recipe for at all.